As I was a-walking and rambling one day, I spied a young couple so finely did stray. And one was a young maid so sweet and so fair, and the other one was a soldier boy and brave grenadier. And they kissed so sweet and comforting as they clung to each other. They went arm in arm along the road like sister and brother. They went arm in arm along the road till they came to a stream, and they both sat down together, loved to hear the nightingale sing. Out of his knapsack he drew a fine fiddle, and he played her such merry tunes that you ever did hear. Yes, he played her such merry tunes that the valley did ring, and they both sat down together loud to hear the nightingale sing. And they kissed so sweet and comforting as they clung to each other. They went arm in arm along the road like sister and brother. They went arm in arm along the road till they came to a stream, and they both sat down together, loved to hear the nightingale sing. Now said this young maid, will you marry me? Oh no, said the soldier, for how could that be? For I have a wife at home in the old country, and she sure is the finest thing that you ever did see. I'm off to India for 7 long years, drinking wine and strong whiskies instead of pale beers. And if I return again, it'll be in the spring, and we'll both sit down together, love to hear the nightingale sing. And they'll kiss so sweet and comforting as they clung to each other. They went arm in arm along the road like sister and brother. They went arm in arm along the road till they came